To Solomon Dawood, the 19-year-old who died in the submarine visiting the Titanic, had brought a Rubik's Cube. Why is that important? Because in the journey to go see the Titanic underwater, like wanted to break a world record, his mother said in an interview. The teenager had applied for the Genius World Record ahead of the mission to see the Titanic wreckage. He had been so excited to try to solve the puzzle deep in the North Atlantic. His father had brought a camera along to document the record-breaking moment, she said. The mother also said that Dawo loved solving puzzles and always carried a Rubik's Cube with him, shocking those around him. His ability to solve the Rubik's Cube in just under 12 seconds.